Yet another classic with a legitimate candidacy to the world's cutest car title. Let's check it out. Hi, today we're unboxing a Mark I Morris Mini Cooper 1275S. The scale is 118, the manufacturer is Kyosho, and the part number on the box is 7008W, but according to my research, the actual part number is 08101B, and I didn't realize it at the time. Anyway, let's dig in. The Mini, which was marketed under the British Motor Corporation main brands, Austin and Morris, went into production in 1959, and it has since turned into a cultural icon. In 1999, the Mini was voted the second most influential car of the 20th century, just behind the Ford Model T and ahead of cars like the Porsche 911 and the VW Beetle. And that's saying a lot. I bought this model new, just like all the others in my collection, but part of me still felt it was previously taken out of its box, or even displayed maybe. I know that models that were stored for a long time feel like this sometimes. Here's a couple of examples of early Minis, including the first Morris Mini Minor ever built. The hood or bonnet on this model can be opened, and it reveals the 1.3-liter inline-4 engine, which generated 75 horsepower. Both the engine and its bay are quite detailed, with even a prop rod in the front. So the passenger door is a bit loose. Maybe it was opened during storage or shipping, or it's simply old and tired, kinda like me. The interior color is a two-tone blue and beige. Not a bad combo. The steering, of course, is right-handed. And in case you're wondering why, there's a giant reminder on the roof of the vehicle. The front of the model has plenty of details, with basically everything you see on a Mini, including its famous emblem right here. I love the fender-mounted side mirrors, and I think they give the model a very nice look. The door handles are decent as well, but I'm not sure how authentic they are. The external door hinges, which I don't think many cars had in that era, even though these were not on all Minis. The wheels for me, well, let's just say I'm not a big fan. They're not horrible, but they kinda look cheap. The tires are a bit better, of course. I probably would have appreciated this model more if the boot had an opening. It looks good nevertheless, but you half expect that from die-cast models anyway. Just to be clear, I'm okay with it as it is. These older Kyoshos are usually expensive, but if you're lucky, you could find one on places like eBay for an almost reasonable price. I did a quick search while making this video, and there weren't many of them around. I think the Union Jack roof adds a lot of character to the model, something which is already very British, and you can never have too many British cars in a diecast collection. And that's that.